Tired of losing your favorite Instagram videos? Here's how to save them forever. Firstly, kindly install the app using the link in the description. After that, kindly open your Instagram app, then find a reel, post, or story. Once you find the desired video, click the send icon and copy the link. Now go back to your IG Video Downloader app and paste the link. Also note that if you're trying to download a story, then you'll have to log in, which is totally safe. Our video has been downloaded. Now let me show you how to batch download videos. To batch download videos, kindly select all the videos, and once you tap the download button, everything will be downloaded at once. As you can see, all our downloaded videos are being saved directly to our gallery, so we can watch them anytime. Now let me show you some other features of this app. This icon is used to share the selected video to other platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and so many others. Now the last icon with the 3 dot is used to copy the hashtags and also copy caption texts of the video. Not only that, because you can also change the playback speed of the video or even extract the music as an MP3 format. Now the remaining 2 features are my favorite, because the first one is used to download the thumbnail of the reels, while the second is used to open the original post on Instagram. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.